Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best Forex brokers with negative balance protection. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, what is negative balance protection? Essentially, negative balance protection is a precautionary measure which brokerage firms use to ensure that traders do not lose more capital than they have deposited, and do not end up with a negative balance in their trading account. Basically, negative balance protection uses a margin call to close your open positions if they are rapidly dropping to ensure you do not end up in debt or lose all your account balance. Now let's jump into the top 5 Forex brokers with negative balance protection. Coming in first at number 5 on the list, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower leverage, low minimum deposits, variable spreads, negative balance protection, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, training courses, and webinars which you can sign up to for a more personal, educational experience. Coming in at number 4 on the list, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with negative balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 3 on the list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, negative balance protection, expert advisors, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, as well as monthly webinars that you can sign up to whenever you like. Coming in at number 2, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, negative balance protection, and more. Exness also provides their very own trading academy, which delves into the essentials of trading. Multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And at last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, FX options, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's Web Trader. And of course, for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 best Forex brokers with negative balance protection on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.